wasn't scheduled to coach this weekend, so I went Sunday morning to see what was going on at the range. I know there's a very small class going on, and as I arrived, they're in between exercises, so I go and park up, and I see Bo, the coordinator. He's shouting at me, saying something, I don't know what he's saying. He's gesturing. So I ride into the range to find out what he wants. So he tells me to ride across the range and across the little bridge to the second range that we have. I have no idea what's going on here, but I do it. He must need something from me. It's very difficult to hear when you're wearing a helmet, especially when you're playing music in it. Not that I'd ever do that, but I have heard that happens sometimes. So there's 3 people stood here with their bikes. So I park up. So I come out to find that Bo is doing a BRC2 class and wants me to assist. And I say, well, why not? I'm not doing anything else. And this is me demonstrating exercise 1 of BRC2. So this is very much like exercise 5 on the BRC, where I ride round the perimeter, and then on signal there are 2 sets of weaves, one on each side, and on a given signal I will start to weave. So here I am, weaving in second gear on my Triumph Bonneville T120, braking before the corner, looking through the corner as you can see, turning my head, and now it's weaving on the other side. I'll get a double view of this. And I heard Bo shout something at me. Not quite sure what he wanted, but he wanted me to go one-handed, so I go one-handed. Did not know that was in the curriculum, but if that's what he wants, that's what I'll do. Going around again, do some more weaving on the other side. Got both hands on the handlebars, as you can see. Nice and relaxed, looking through the corner, keeping my speed up by about 17 miles an hour, 18 miles an hour, something like that. And as I'm coming into the straight, Bo wants me to stop. Thought he wanted me to go to parking, but no, he wants to speak to me.
Oh, weave in one hand. On signal as comfortable as possible. Move. I did not know.
Crossing obstacles is a 2x4, so we're not going to do that.
Yeah.
Alright.
Will we park?
Do one more, and do the weaves one-handed.
Alright.
This is my first time doing the BRC2 as an instructor, so I didn't really know. But now I know. Now I have to do the weave one-handed, so I put it on my hand on my leg, nice and slowly through the weaves, one-handed. It's not a problem, it's easy enough to do, so the students can see what I'm doing. And then as I turn the corner, put my hand back on the handlebar, and I'm going to go back to parking, or staging, as it's like to be called. And that's the end of that demonstration.